Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and today's video is all about insurance. We will discuss about pet insurance, the best pet insurance providers in the US. So we will continue this. We will search on Google the top best pet insurance companies in the US. There is different pet insurance companies that give insurance for their pets. For pets. So we will open one of the websites from below. We will open Forbes and we can compare their ratings and reimbursement choices, annual coverage, and their pricing etc. Many pet owners may not realize how expensive and unexpected veterinary bills can be for treatment for problems like cancer and intestinal for object torn ligaments can cost thousands of dollars at the vet. Pet insurance can be a good way to cover these costs. Without it, we would have to pay the entire emergency vet bill out of pocket. But no, not all pet insurance companies are the same. You will find difference in the types of plans, coverage selections, benefit pricing, and extra usage. And the first one is the Healthy Paws. Healthy Paws. Helipass annual coverage is unlimited. Reimbursement choices is 70%, 80%, and 90%. Conductible choices $100, $250, and $500. The pros and cons are below. We can compare. No maximum annual or lifetime payouts. Most claim processed within 2 days. 30 money back guarantee. 30-day direct veterinary payment may be possible. No routine wellness option is there. Phone. We can get also quote from here. So next is you can compare. You can also compare according to your needs. You will find here according to your address, your pet age, your pet's age, and your email address. Paw Protect has ratings of 5.0. Maximum annual coverage is $5,000, $10,000, and unlimited. Their price is $100, $250, $500. Embrace. Maximum annual coverage is $5,000, $10,000. Reimbursement choices 70%, 80%, 90%. Deductible choices $100, $250, $500. Spot is the next, and their maximum annual coverage is $500, $3,000, $4,000, and unlimited. Their rating is 5.0. Reimbursement choices is 70%, 80%, 90%. Deductible choices are $100, $250, $500, $750, and $1,000. You can also compare pros and cons. There are many cons, but least there are many pros, but least cons. Low $100 deductible available covers the veterinary office visit fee for illness and accidents. Covers pet microchips. Multi-pet discount of 10%. Optional wellness plan available. Has a 24/7 pet telehealth line. Waiting period for accident coverage is 14 days. Some competitors require only 1 or 2 days. Here is their form. The next is Manipads. Manipads has rating of 5.0. Their maximum annual coverage is also unlimited. Reimbursement choices is 70 to 80% in most states. Deductible choice is $500 in most states. And we can also compare their plans here. Next is their pros and cons. You can also compare here. Next is Pumpkin. Pumpkin has $1,000, $20,000 unlimited reimbursement choice is 9.90%. Their rating is low, 0.5, and their deductible price choice is $100 to 50,000 and $500. Today we had compare the rates and ratings of different pet insurance companies in the US. So in the next video, we will compare other companies also. So goodbye.